Today's video is about police instant karma and convenient cop. Remember to drive safely and always follow the rules of the road. As always, there's a bonus video at the end. Oakville, Ontario. A driver in HOV lane crossed solid line just because he wanted so right in front of a cop. Guy drives past cop at night with neither head nor taillights. A Prius on Interstate 60 eastbound in Arizona decided it didn't need to obey traffic laws like other drivers and was pulled over by Arizona State Police troopers in a flash. The bus lane is abused daily, but this is the first time I've seen someone caught red-handed.
Oh, that was a bad move. Oh, go on. Yes, yes. Brilliant. I love it. Yes.
Vancouver, Washington. The police officer was apparently using rear-view radar when he noticed the SUV was speeding and changing lanes improperly. I was driving down the 401 towards Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and I saw a motorcycle using the breakdown lane to get by traffic. Then another. A car passed the three of us, obeying the speed limit, but was spotted by a police officer driving out of town. The cop didn't make a U-turn and just radioed in. On the north side of Rockford, justice was served. Lexus runs a red light without noticing the cop behind them. As the cop chirped his siren to pull over the Lexus, I said the words, "Hot dumbass," and I speak from experience, as I got pulled over for running a red or a yellow I thought I could beat. I was in a long entrance ramp when I noticed the Wisconsin State Patrol merging from another on-ramp behind me. I slowed down to the speed limit, and the Stat Patrol followed me for about a mile. A Dodge Challenger came cruising up, completely oblivious of the State Patrol officer. He accelerated to change lanes right next to the officer, who already had a bead on him. The officer pulled up behind him, with lights and siren going. This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. Karma moment on I-90 North Bend, Washington.
Mirrors. I guess they can't get rid of those yet. Not yet, yeah. They're working on that. But what else do they do? I mean, by the way, there's a kind of a benefit to making it really good. Looks like a Batmobile.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. So yeah, they did a lot of interesting things with the battery pack design itself, with how they configure the cells in the battery pack and connect them all up. They also their power electronic system, which is a key part of this. That's battery storage energy.
Like all the am I crazy? Like all the
No, it's just kind of the two.
The vehicle used its right indicator to continue driving, and then was stopped at a petrol station. And the bonus video. What are your thoughts? Write in the comments. How often do you see instant karma on the road? Write in the comments and then send us your video.